Which part of the computer shows pictures and videos?
Monitor.
Which key is used to type capital letters?
Caps lock.
What should we never touch with wet hands?
All given options.
What is the full form of CPU?
Central processing unit.
Which button is used to start the computer?
Power button.
Which device is used to point and click on things?
Mouse.
Which is the longest key on the keyboard?
Spacebar.
What should we never do near a computer?
Drink water.
Which device is used to talk on video calls?
Microphone.
Which key is used to add space between words?
Spacebar.
Which device is used to print on paper?
Printer.
What should we not pull while using the computer?
Wires and cables.
Which of these is not a computer?
Television.
What should we do before leaving the computer?
Switch off safely.
Which of these is a storage device?
Pen drive.
What do we call the brain of the computer?
CPU.
Where should we not sit while using the computer?
Too close to the monitor.
Which device is small and easy to carry?
Laptop.
Which device is used to scan a photo into a computer?
Scanner.
Which device helps us listen to sound?
Speaker.
What should we never press too hard?
All given options.
Which device is used to type letters and numbers?
Keyboard.
Which key is used to move to the next line?
Enter.
Which program is used to draw pictures?
Paint.
Which part of the computer looks like a TV screen?
Monitor.